Guangdong Japanese Logistics Dalang Warehouse was located in Baiyun District, Guangzhou. It is the main warehouse of Japanese logistics. We accept goods from all over the country. We have sea freight and air freight to Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia. It is worth mentioning that the air freight warehouse is next door to the sea freight warehouse, which is more convenient for customers' delivery and reflects our one-stop service purpose. From receiving goods to inventory goods to shipment, every step of the Mr. Zhao are very conscientious. Zhao's vigorous attitude to make customers more assured that the goods to us. Japanese logistics has always been focused, professional, as the service concept. Moving your products across all borders, better solution to a better you, as the corporate philosophy. Japanese logistics always welcome you.